Hi Boca Library buddies, it's Miss Amanda from the Boca Raton Public Library. Happy 4th of July. I'm here today to read you a special 4th of July book. And our book today is Blue Sky, White Stars by Sarvinder Nabarhas, and it's illustrated by Kadir Nelson. So let's go. Blue Sky, White Stars. Blue sky, white stars is just like the blue sky and white stars, like the flag. Red rose and red rose. White rose and white rose, just like the flag. Red, white, and blue. Old Glory and Old Glory. That looks fun. Sea waves in the ocean, but also we see waves in the flag. Sew together one nation. Here she is sewing our first flag. Sew together, we are one nation. All different kinds of people together. Well worn, like his beautiful face, been through all those years. Just like our flag is well worn, and that's been through a lot of years too. We are woven together just like the flag is made and sewn and woven together. All American, like baseball, and all American. This man is a World War II veteran. Stand proud. And she stands proud too. Rising up, pulling up that flag in the morning, just like this rocket is rising up. Flying high, an American bald eagle, and flying high, here's that rocket again. Freedom. There's our flag on the moon. Red, white, blue, sky, white stars, forever. This book was written to show you how the flag is just like the people in America, using the same words. So it's pretty special. We wish you a happy and safe 4th of July from the Boca Raton Public Library, and we'll see you again soon.